What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to our here quick episode on 5-star cars. Just going to give a quick cover on what's been happening with the JR Garage Viper crash. I know other channels have covered it. Again, guys, I'm not a news channel. I just give my thoughts, opinions on what's going on in the car community in YouTube. This is pretty serious. Fortunately enough, Christian is okay. On their latest post on their Instagram account, he is awake and he seems to be doing on the road to recovery. So, thoughts with JR Garage and, condolences to the family. Unfortunately, terrible loss, whoever died in that crash. Terrible time of the year, and it's heartbreaking when something like that happens. I'm sure a lot of us, our hearts going out to them. A very, very serious incident. And look, best wishes to Christian and getting back in the mend and and stuff like that. And it's just horrible when you hear it, guys, because we are all into our cars, and no matter who the channel is, it's all about supporting them at the end of the day. I completely forgot about JR Garage's channel. I might start covering them now because actually they got a Murcielago, one of my favourite cars out there. If I want to start bringing them up on the channel as well. I haven't watched them in a long time, but unfortunately, for me to remind me of their channel, like something like this come up is terrible. But look, guys, as I said, I'm not news. That's Life of Paul's job. If you want to tag me in kind of stuff like this, again, follow me on Instagram, or if you want to come on the channel. And also don't forget, guys, to vote for 2020 Car YouTuber of the Year below. Just like I say that, but just a quick video on it. If anything else pops up, I'll mention in my other videos tomorrow or in the next coming days. But the latest update is he is awake and he's giving 2 thumbs up. So look, it's all we can do for now. And just thoughts and prayers for JR Garage until then. So guys, thanks very much just for watching this quick video. Hopefully give you a bit of an update, and do mind subscribing, liking, commenting, all that kind of stuff. And I'll see you on the next episode. So till then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.